Well, everyone, this is the I hope you're paying attention part of the day. Justice Alito has come out today and refused to recuse himself from any case involving Donald J. Trump or January 6th and its defendants. Really? As a lot of you know, these are over two different flags that were displayed at his house about 2 years apart. One being an upside down American flag and the other one being a Christian bring me to heaven flag or something. But the interesting part about the letter that he wrote is that it wasn't his fault. It was his wife. His wife was responsible for flying the upside down flag, and it was her appeal to heaven flag from their New Jersey beach house. What? And then he says, I am therefore duty bound to reject your recusal request. So because it was his wife, he shouldn't have to recuse himself. Now, this one's for all you alpha males out there that support this. So, if you as a man come home and your wife has a United States flag flipped upside down, you're on the Supreme Court, mind you, and you've taken an oath, and you're supposed to be impartial for all Americans, and you come home and you see that, and you go, that's probably bad for business, that's probably bad for my position, let me just go take that down. And then go inside, fold it up, do whatever, explain to your wife why you can't put that up, right? Even if that's how you feel, you still, you should have the brain power to go, that's not a good idea. And then if you're on the Supreme Court and you're lifting up this Christian flag or this just religious flag, seriously? So now you're showing everybody in America that either doesn't believe in God at all, doesn't believe in your God, so on and so forth. You're telling them that you don't care. And you're sitting on the highest court in the land. You're telling me as a man, you don't come home to that and go, take that down right now. And that should tell you everything you know about this Alito character. He has no morals, no principles. He doesn't love this country. He is clearly bought by a certain amount of people or a certain faction in this country. So, I'm getting really tired of shrugging our shoulders and saying we can't do anything about this, because when you have domestic terrorists who support rapists sitting on the Supreme Court, I think we should all come together, like something like 9/11, and realize that we're all Americans and do something about this. Because I'm getting tired of saying, let's just vote. Yeah, I know, we're all going to vote. But these people should not be in power right now. And we are this close to having a wannabe dictator back in charge. And meanwhile, we got people talking about, Joe Biden starting wars that he didn't start. Well, we're in less wars than no, we're not. Please go Google and educate yourself. The fact that some of you vote is terrifying to me. For the love of God, Trump is a prolific criminal. He's a liable sexual abuser. He's had to pay countless settlements for fraud cases, $25 million for Trump University, another 400 something million in New York. We're not even talking about Atlantic City and the amount of unpaid bills he left behind. Stop it. Okay, I'm good now. I feel better.